Greetings, smartphone. We're going to be looking at, or we can select a blank right in our Google Sheet right here. Very important. Right, as you can see, we have template right here. If you notice, this is a blank sheet. You notice right there, it's a blank spreadsheet. Right, start a new sheet. So this already created already. You scroll up. These are what actually move for. If you come right at this plus and you click right here, you notice, take it right back up to the top right here. Just the same, definitely. Alright, so definitely select a blank sheet by just putting the cursor on it and click. Now when you click the blank sheet, this is exactly where it take you to. Right here, so notice when I see this come up, you can simply click off that and all that. So this is where you actually select the blank sheet so far right in your Google Sheet. So remember to like, share and subscribe. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video.